over a year with this bag. Things I love about it. A couple things that could be improved upon, but let's get to it. All right, so Packout Structured Backpack. This is Milwaukee version, of course, and their iconic, ideal red, whatever they call that red, but it's high vis, whatever. Absolutely, this bag has served its purpose. I don't baby it, but I don't abuse it either. And it's been, I think, 9 months since my 6-month review on this bag itself. So how do I like it? Simple, easy. It's fantastic. I've had Veto's backpack before. It's great as well. There is only one thing with this bag that you get that you don't get with the Veto, and that's the Packout compatibility. If you aren't married to the Packout, you definitely look into Veto. I'd say Veto has a little bit better features. I think maybe a little better, well made, if that makes sense, just a little bit. But I absolutely love this bag. It's been my daily driver along with my Veto TP 4B and a couple other ones as well too. But this bag, I've had no zipper malfunctions, nothing whatsoever. Yeah, it's dirty. We use it. It's on the job site. We'll go into all the stuff that I have inside of here in a second, but you guys, I mean, there's nothing much to hate about it. Like I said, no zipper, no malfunctions whatsoever. It is heavy, but I mean, with the great, you got double stitching up top. It's pretty high quality for what it is. I'm not saying, they definitely got a couple of Veto bags in their, R&D department and kind of went off of that. That's for sure. But, I think they're both made in China, Veto and Milwaukee itself. Yeah, let's just get right into it, you guys. It's fantastic. If you're in the Packout, get this bag over a Veto. That way it just, you can click it onto your, your Packout, rolled into a job site, and Bob's your uncle. Like, that's pretty much it. Otherwise, if you're not, there's just buy Veto. Same price. This is pretty expensive. At the time of this video, I think it's about $340 for this bag USD at like Home Depot without any discounts. So I think, Milwaukee Packout, their structured, their structured products are at the same price point as Veto. That's just the way it is. Now, again, if you're watching this video 5 years down the road, it's probably going to be $500 for this bag because of inflation and whatnot. So up front here, I've got, you get your headlamp here, hands-free light up front. I just care. This area right here is, for my impact driver, stuff that I don't really care if it falls out. But, I do have my stud finder on that side. We have a couple, bags. These are just for loose fittings. I got RG6 F connectors and then RJ45 in there. This is for wire nuts. We've got tape. We've got these bit holders right here. Very nice and simple. We've got glove holder as well. On this side, tape is fine. I did that on the backpack, on Veto's backpack. This did break and they warrantied out, no problems whatsoever. But I've had no problems with this one at all. It is branded Milwaukee, but it's been working fine. Outside here, pens, pencils, extensions, just quick access stuff. And this one, these are obviously, job dependent. If I'm going to a different job, I'll put different stuff in here. But right now I just got some testing equipment, electrical testing equipment. And on the opposite side, we'll get into it. We got some bit drivers. And then on this, I think it's just some flashlights and stuff right now I just had in here, but I did have some testing equipment in there too. Yep. 7/16 and some flashlights because we're working in kind of a dark environment. And then on this side, you get some Velcro here, low voltage stuff. It's pretty fun. And this front pocket right here, zipper, I've never put anything in here. I've never put anything in there. If you have this bag and let me know. But even if the Veto one, I think they have a front pocket. I never used it. I just haven't found a reason to. On the main business end of this, it's been treating me well. Again, it's dusty, it's dirty. It's just, no clean tools on this one. We use our tools for the most part anyway. This is I guess a hard case right here for whatever, glasses or anything, delicate, but I just have bits in there. That's all I have in there. And it's basically it. So up front here, like I said, I try to keep different colored handle tools. That way I can just get in, get out. I know exactly what I need to. Your needle nose, Knipex. We get the new client, these ones in here. We got the lines and pliers, and then Southwire here, 2 needle nose wire strippers. Knipex down here as well. I'm not going to go through all this. I'll leave links in the description for most of these tools if you guys want to check it out. But I did put some light in here. See, does it light up? Nope. Yeah, maybe not. But maybe it was dead. So, but I do have lights in here. I'll throw a picture in here what it looks like. but I probably just left it on. But it hours and hours of light with that little thing, and it's basically just a red stick. All right, so I did that out. I had to fish it out of there, but it's just a red stick. You can charge it right up, no big deal, which I'll do right now. Just pops in here, and then if I want to turn it on and off, I just plug it right in just like that. Boom, you're good to go. And it does. I mean, it's pretty bougie for the lighting, but it does help. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice. Getting back to it, guys. Up front here, obviously this is the way I keep all my hand tools in here, and I can swap them out as I need them. If I'm not doing any drywall for a long time, I'll take the drywall knife out. But it's got a nice little home right there. Like I know Veto, they have their interiors where you can unvelcro them and swap them out, which is fantastic. But if you're buying this, you already have a key need for it, and you know what you're going to be using it for. So that's nice. But we're going to go on the back side here, and on the back side, backside, you've obviously got your scissor lift hook, your rafter hook, whatever you want to you want to keep it there. I've never used it, but it's I hear it works. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, my one gripe about this, and it was from the last video as well, as far as all the weight being supported by the zipper on the back here, this one right here, again, hasn't failed. I mean, I've been using it and it hasn't failed at all, but I can see that being the weak point of this bag. But again, hasn't failed at all. And on the back side here, I just keep a couple fluke tester and some small low voltage. Obviously it's good for iPad and your electronics back here too. I think that's what they made it for. See what I got back here. I got Knipex and some other stuff here too. But that's basically it on that side. On the back, you can see you got the padded. I mean, it's comfortable for what it is. It's a heavy bag. Absolutely, they did do their homework with this as far as R&D. I really enjoy the handle. It feels super tough, and that's definitely going to last the life of the bag because this thing is just rock solid. That's basically it, you guys. They had it over a year. My review. Not too many things to hate about it. If you're already in the pack out, I'd say buy it. If you're not, I'd say go with a Veto. That's basically my opinion. Spend your money wisely. Buy it when you need it, not when you want it. But until the next one, guys, we will see you on the next video.